Hey guys, everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today recipe I bring another Tingmo recipe and which is very simple and easy to make this recipe. And also I'm gonna show you how to make vegetable also. And let's get started how to make. And before start the video, please don't forget to click the red button which is written subscribe and also hit the bell. So if you hit the bell, so you will get always notification when I upload a new recipe. Now I'm gonna add the flour, how much you're going to make, and also I'm gonna add just a little bit salt. The salt is optionally, so if you add this little bit salt, so it will give little nice taste. Mix the all dry ingredient first, and this time I'm gonna make directly and take a warm water, add the half cup of warm water and add 2 teaspoons of dry yeast, and first mix the yeast. After that slowly you have to knead the dough. Now you have to knead the dough until dough become not smooth and soft. You have to knead, so it will take only 5 to 6 minutes. Now take a container and add just a little bit oil and apply all your container. So apply a little bit your dough also, so it will not stick when you take out the dough. Now cover and keep in warm place. So nowadays very cold, so here I take some cloth and I'm gonna cover with cloth. So keep in warm place like this, and I'm gonna leave it for 1 hour. Marinate the meat first. So here meat I already cut into bite pieces. And for marinade seasoning it's very simple. We need just a little bit salt and add 1 teaspoon cooking oil, 2 teaspoons cooking wine, and finally I'm gonna add ginger and garlic paste. Now you have to mix very nicely. Now cover and leave it for 10 minutes. And here I already heat the oil, and now I'm gonna add half teaspoon brown sugar. So sugar will make your meat will brown color and sweet and little juicy and more flavorful. And now I'm gonna add ginger and garlic and fry for a couple minutes until not golden brown color. Now it's time to add before marinade meat, and now it's mixed very nicely. You have to. Now I'm gonna add just one red chili. Also I'm gonna add just a little bit chili paste. The chili is optionally, so if you don't like spicy you can skip this part. And add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sweet cooking wine. Mix the all ingredient very nicely. After that I'm gonna add potato. Cover and let them cook. Okay, next I'm gonna make sesame oil. For this we need 2 teaspoons sesame seed and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. So you can add normal oil also, but if you add the sesame oil it will give nice flavor. And also I'm gonna add just a little bit salt. Now you have to make a dough like a chapati. Now once the chapati is done, now it's time to apply your sesame oil to all of your bread. Some dry flour. So when you roll, if you add the dry flour, so it will stick each other. Now take a end and you have to fold. Just fold it and just lightly you have to press. Now take a knife and cut into pieces. The sizes totally depend on you, how much you're going to make, big or small. For the design you can make any kind of shape as you know, you can make it. So here I take very simply, take a 2 bread and lightly you have to press. After that I'm gonna press in middle the chopstick. Take out the chopstick and you have to pinch both of sides. The shape is I try to make like a toffee style. By the way, you can make any kind of style as you know. It's not necessary. Now it's time to steam. Now your potato or meat is almost like a cook. Now it's time to add beans. By the way, you can use any kind of vegetable. The one more time mix it. And now I'm gonna add half cup of water. And one more time stir. The top on the vegetable, I'm gonna keep my bread. In this way, your tingmo and vegetable both are ready in one time. So if you have big pot, you should be use big pot. My pot is little small. Now cover and let them cook for 10 minutes. can separately steam also. Check the tingmo is cooked or not. Test the tingmo. If tingmo will not stick in your hand, so it's cooked. Now it's ready. Look at my tingmo. Now take out all tingmo and vegetable. The top on the vegetable, I like to add just a little bit sesame seed. Now it's time to ready for it. So I hopefully you guys enjoy this recipe and this video will helpful to you. And about more recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family. Even they also enjoy this delicious recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you on next video. Bye bye. And how it is, please don't forget to leave comment below.